Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to NB English Learning Podcast.
In part 1, we learned the basics: have been, feeling, have had, experience. And now, part 2 is going to be more fun because we will speak like real life.
Start 1. Talking about your day.
Okay, Eman, imagine someone asks you, how has your day been?
I will say, my day has been busy.
Perfect. That is your condition. Now, next question. What have you done today?
I have had many classes today.
Excellent. That is your experience.
Combine both.
Now, combine both in one answer.
Okay, my day has been very busy. I have had a lot of work.
Perfect natural English.
Long answer practice. Let's make it longer. My day has been stressful. I have had many tasks. I have had very little rest, so I have been tired.
Wow, this sounds fluent.
Student practice. Now you speak. Your day has been blank. I have had blank. Very good. Keep practicing. Start 2. Talking about week. Now let's talk about week. My week has been amazing. I have had great opportunities. I have had time to learn. I have been happy. This feels like real conversation. Start 3. Talking about work.
Let's do a work situation.
Okay. Hey, how have you been at work?
I have been very busy. I have had many meetings. I have had tight deadlines.
Excellent. Start 4. Talking about health.
Now, health conversation.
Let's try. Hey, are you okay?
I have been feeling sick.
Oh no, what happened?
I have had a headache since morning.
Very natural. Start 5. Positive conversation.
Okay.
How have you been?
I have been really good. I have had some great experiences. I have been learning new things.
Beautiful English. Start 6. Tricky sentence.
Now, tricky one. I have had been waiting for hours.
That sounds wrong.
Correct. I have been waiting for hours. I have had a long wait.
Now it's clear. Start 7. Advanced but easy explanation.
Now a little advanced but easy. I have been having a busy day.
What does that mean?
It means the busy experience is continuing.
So more focus on time?
Yes.
Start 8. Mini story.
Let's make a small story. I have been working all day. I have had many problems, but I have been positive, and I have had some success.
This is powerful. Start 9. Think in English.
Important tip. Don't translate.
Yes, think in English.
Ask yourself, feeling, have been, experience, have had.
Start 10. Fast practice game.
I say Hindi, you say English.
मुझे बहुत काम था.
I have had a lot of work.
Good. मैं खुश हूँ.
I have been happy.
Excellent. Start 11. Long fluency practice.
Now, full answer. This week, I have been very busy. I have had many responsibilities. I have had little free time, but I have been learning a lot, and I have been improving.
Wow, that sounds fluent English. Start 12. Speak with confidence.
Don't stop. Speak daily.
Even small sentences are powerful.
Repeat again and again.
End of part 2.
Today we learned how to use this in real life.
And we practiced long sentences.
In part 3, we will go to next level.
Full conversation plus fluency training.
Keep practicing, keep speaking. See you next time.